It is June 22nd, 2021. Here I gotta go change an oil tank for a guy. Another hot day that I got this oil tank scheduled. It turns out to be a hot day, but gotta make it happen. I gave this guy a price a while back, and he called a couple of months ago. Called me, he wants to get it done. His tank's low on oil, water tank or whatever. So I'm gonna go over there and give it the old. How you doing? I left Molly at home because it's gonna be hot in the truck all day. No sense in leaving her in the truck. Today's her birthday. She's 3 years old. June 22nd is Molly's birthday. Get her some snacks later. He's home in the AC, she'll be alright. It's just me and Mr. Grinch and Gumby. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots if I can as I go along here. Alright, it's coming out. Lines go right out this way. We're gonna have to redo them. This is 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. This 1.25 is fine, but I gotta redo the fittings. A couple of barrels over there I can pump into. The other tank over here, starting to cut it up. Not too bad. I don't know what the hell that shit is, but it doesn't look too kosher. I got the other tank in place over here with the 4 legs on it. Come out with a 1/2 by 3/890 close nipple black, come to his ball valve, then a Firematic, then filter. Put a new cartridge in that filter. This filter he had here was leaking, so we replaced it. Put a different one in there. No longer need this one here with the multiple fusible links. We got a different style. This here I put a vent gauge combo, and it goes down and the arm goes that way. So when we're going to fill in here, the oil will come in and the arm will be that way so it doesn't hit it. I got my pieces stuck in there for now. 1.25 and 1.25 supply and return. I got to cut a 31 inches center to end, and then swing joints, 2 swing joints. So I gotta make that piece next. I gotta pump the oil back in yet, but I wanna get that first in case I gotta move the tank. I shouldn't have to, but just in case. My mark right here. And forward. That'll be my piece. Should never take the pipe out of the machine unless it's threaded. The pipe's in the machine, you should thread it. So next time you gotta do a joint, it's threaded, right? A couple of threads past the end there. That's how I do it. Put this in reverse and get it out. Nice thread right there. Alright, this piece is ready to go for the next joint, right? This is my cut piece that I needed. Sounding a little wimpy because I got a long thin extension cord I'm running off of. That's why. Here we'll put a 90 right on it while I'm here. While it's in the pipe machine, I'll put a 90 on it. Tighten it right up right here. Always use the machine if you can. Put it back on forward. Made in Vietnam. Isn't that wonderful? Alright, so I got the piece in elbow and a straight elbow to make a swing joint. And then it goes out on an angle. That piece is a little long, I'm going to mark it, cut it, put the fill cap on it, then I can screw it in. I don't need a union on this one. I did bring unions. This one's going to come up with 2 elbows instead of a straight, but it'll still be a swing joint. Once I get this done, I can put the oil back in. There's my cut right there. Tried it. Double swing joints up there. Just have to do the outside. Oil back in. So I do the vent, an elbow, and then a 45, or a street elbow and a 45, and the vent cap. I have to just silicone that and then paint that black on the way out. Will be done. This cap, I just take it out and then they fill it right in there. Look at that. It's like flipping mud. That's nasty. Look at that. I'll just put some speedy dry in there and scoop that shit up, I guess. She's a nasty one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah, I usually scoop out all the nasty stuff into a bucket using my little white bucket like a scooper. Put it all in a... Usually I get 5 gallons of mud, muck type of thing. The rest I'll just put some speedy dry in there and hit the sides with the speedy dry, and now I can get rid of the speedy dry. I got a bucket of speedy dry here, half a bucket. That'll be good. And I'll use this as a scraper to scrape it, you know, and it'll be nice and clean when I'm done with the speedy dry. Kitty litter, same thing. I siliconed it good around where it went, and I painted it black with some Rust-Oleum paint so it won't rust. You should be good to go. Both got both plugs in there. The fill in the vent, swing joints, and then out. Get out the swing joints. I just have to bleed the pump. Should be good to go.